Yeah. One more time. Try again. Okay, for you. 3, 2, 1. Sir. Yeah. You want to try? You want to try? Are you gonna try too? Okay.
Okay, let me put that one over there. Oh yeah, hey man.
Okay, can only try one side. Last one, okay?
Okay, anybody else? Right here. Sir, you gonna try, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, come on. No pressure, okay?
I would say.
All right, no pressure. 3, 2, 1. Come on, sir. One more. Come on, sir. Good. All right, sir. There you go.
Yeah.
Come on, sir. Go.
Almost again.
Sir.
Okay.
There you go. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Last one. 3, 2, 1.
I missed it.
Change the tongue. All the content creators are good.
Oishi, what's the name of this place? Hino Oshi. Here we are at Hino Oshi, enjoying our meal. Food is wealth. Food is wealth. Life is for the living. Enjoy. Food is wealth. And life is for the living. At Hino Oishi restaurant.
What is this? What is that green pepper? Take the other one for your husband. How many people then?
You're serving everybody now.
This one?
Yeah.
From here? Sorry.
There's only mommy and the side left.
Why I said that? I think I want to give me a job. Don't bring the meat. Don't need it.
You don't need another big table.
I thought you said you don't need the meat. There's everything before I spend my with this kind of life. I don't believe it.
I'm happy that Yeah. And our vegetables. Here's our fried rice.
Away from Nigeria to yonder. So that we thank you.
I did go to. How do you go? Just cooking. Say, what's this? What are my parents doing? Yummy.
What country food is this?
Japanese.
Hello,
Japan.
Are you from Japan?
What?
Are you from Japan?
I'm from Indonesia.
That's a good. Someone went on the cruise, man. They took your restaurant. They were good. So from the way you use this one. I don't know
Yeah. Can we have some, no any spicy peppers, chili, chili. Only some chili here. Thank you. This was nice. Would you touch his body? Touch his head. It's fine. Okay. That's why I said to touch. Hello. Life is for the living. Look at how sumptuous this food is. Wow. Portions of vegetables. Mine is salmon with some shrimps. Houses is salmon salad with some chicken, beef with beef, right? So you have some vegetables too. Here, vegetables, some rice as well. Wow.